Poonawalla Fincorp Q3 FY26 results, strong profit growth, arm expansion or capital raise strategy. Poonawalla Fincorp delivered a strong Q3 FY26 performance marked by significant growth in income, profitability, and assets under management, reflecting a healthy expansion trajectory for the non-banking financial company. The quarter saw a meaningful rise in core lending metrics as well as strategic planning to deepen the company's market footprint. For the quarter ended December 31, 2025, Poonawalla Fincorp's total income rose strongly compared with the same period last year and the preceding quarter, driven primarily by higher interest income from its expanding loan book. Growth in interest income reflected both volume expansion and improved pricing, underscoring demand for credit across retail and business segments. Net interest income, a critical profitability driver for lending businesses, recorded a notable increase, indicating that the company not only scaled its core lending operations but also maintained strong spreads between lending yields and funding costs. This contributed to broader profitability improvements across the quarter. Profit after tax, PAT, for Q3 FY26 reached around 150 crore rupees, exhibiting significant year-on-year and sequential growth compared with the prior period, driven by higher net interest income and disciplined cost control. This marked a substantial improvement over the previous year's corresponding quarter, reflecting the company's strengthening earnings momentum. A key highlight of Poonawalla Fincorp's quarterly performance was the exceptional growth in assets under management, AUM. AUM expanded by a marked double-digit percentage on both a year-on-year and quarter-on-quarter basis, indicating strong growth in the company's loan portfolio and underlying customer demand for financial products. The on-book mix of secured and unsecured loans was balanced, supporting both growth and risk management. Asset quality metrics remain stable, with gross non-performing assets and net non-performing assets showing resilience or modest improvement versus the previous quarter. Stable credit cost trends, combined with disciplined underwriting standards, helped preserve asset quality even as the company scaled its portfolio. Net interest margin, NIM, a measure of the efficiency of the lending business, improved modestly, reflecting the company's ability to manage funding costs while maintaining healthy lending yields. The improved NIM supported better pre-provision operating profit and overall earnings quality. Poonawalla Fincorp also maintained a strong liquidity buffer, with a significant pool of undrawn funds and available resources. This liquidity position provides strategic flexibility to pursue expansion initiatives, manage short-term obligations, and navigate potential fluctuations in funding markets. Capital adequacy ratios remained comfortably above regulatory requirements, showcasing a solid capital base that supports further growth. In line with this, the board approved ambitious capital raising plans that include leveraging both equity and non-convertible debt instruments to strengthen the funding base for future lending expansion. During the quarter, the company's board approved proposals to raise capital through qualified institutional placements and other permissible routes, as well as structured debt issuances to fund growth initiatives and enhance balance sheet strength. These strategic moves are aimed at supporting scaling of the loan portfolio and enhancing competitive positioning. Operationally, the company continued to focus on expanding its branch network and digital capabilities to support customer acquisition and product penetration. Growth in secured loan categories was balanced with carefully monitored unsecured segments, underscoring risk-adjusted expansion. Looking at the 9-month performance of FY26, Poonawalla Fincorp sustained strong growth across key metrics, with consistent improvements in earnings, loan book scale, and overall profitability. The quarter's results build on this trajectory and set the stage for continued momentum. Management commentary highlighted confidence in demand for lending products, the strength of the company's risk and credit assessment frameworks, and the strategic value of proactive capital planning. While macroeconomic considerations and interest rate environments remain variables to monitor, the company's execution in this quarter showed disciplined growth. For investors, the key takeaways from Q3 FY26 include strong profit growth, robust AUM expansion, improving net interest margins, stable asset quality, and a proactive capital strategy. The combination of operational growth and financial strength positions Poonawalla Fincorp well in the competitive NBFC sector. Overall, the Q3 FY26 results of Poonawalla Fincorp demonstrate significant performance enhancements, strategic financial management, and a robust foundation for future growth. This indicates confidence in the company's capacity to capitalize on market opportunities while upholding financial discipline.